Raise your hand if you've ever confidently touched up a wall, only for it to end up looking like this. No, 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 no. Ugh. This whole thing looks like a spotted cheetah that basically has had spinach for lunch. Ugh. Here's what I tried. The first thing is to match the paint appropriately before you touch up the paint on your wall. One is I tried to get a paint sample from behind a switchboard. But apparently, my house used to be painted in some mystery gray sadness, so that didn't quite work. The other reason it doesn't work is that the paint around the light switch ends up fading, but the paint behind it is a different shade. The second thing that I tried was, getting a corner chip sample. Cool idea, until the paint store said it looked like dust. And then I tried, of course, I love technology. So I tried taking a photograph, and my camera said, I got you. And the paint basically did not match either. So I basically tried every hack on YouTube, and most of them made my wall look like it had chicken pox. So here's what I learned. Turns out that matching paint is not like matching socks. Paint fades, the lighting absolutely lies, and that sheen thing matters way more than even your zodiac sign for some reason. So you must be wondering, gosh, what finally did work? Well, I peeled a tiny sample of paint from right next to the chip and gave that to the paint store. Crossed my fingers, prayed to every paint god that I knew of, and that was spot on. That was the perfect match. And then go ahead and put some spackle, patch and prime spackle that you can get off of the shelf at a hardware store. I used a cake spatula. You can use whatever you want. And then go ahead and use a putty knife to take out all the excess spackle. And I used a wet paper towel to take out all of the excess spackle. Then make sure you test the patch first, obviously. Do not do what I just did. I clearly went all out on my entire wall before testing it in one spot, and then was left with an entire wall that looked terrible. Make sure that you blend the paint really well. Either you can, just the way you would with makeup, right? But of course, paint is just sadder. But just feather the paint out so it blends well. Okay, so this one seems to have worked really well, and the match it's almost perfect. It's actually hard to tell where exactly I have filled in the paint. Let me actually show you. Oh, it's taking me a bit to figure this out. Right there is where that big patch was. So that worked. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new tip. And remember, there is no limit to what we as women can accomplish. Well, I didn't say that. Michelle Obama did. And if I can fix things, so can you.